Hello guys, you are watching Fascinating Facts and today I am going to tell you 5 interesting facts about planet Earth. So let's begin. Fact number 1. What is the internal structure of the Earth? मतलब कि हमारा अर्थ किस बेसिस पे बना है, उसके अंदर क्या क्या है वो हम जानने वाले हैं. So basically our Earth is like an onion. Like an onion has several layers, our Earth also has several layers. The first layer is called the Earth's crust. Has an average depth of about 40 kilometer as compared with the diameter of the Earth, which is around 12,700 kilometer. The Earth's crust is very small. It is primarily made up of solid rocks. Below the crust is the mantle, which is reaching to a depth about 2,900 kilometer. The mantle is primarily made up of solid and molten rocks. Below the mantle is the core, made up of iron and nickel. The deeper one travels inside the earth, the hotter it is. The temperature of the earth's core is 4,000 to 5,000 degrees Celsius. Fact number 2. How do we discover what is inside the earth? Caves and mines go only 1 to 2 kilometers inside the earth. The deepest well is in the Russian Kola Peninsula or the 9 kilometer deep in the upper Palatinate, hardly scratch the earth's crust. So basically scientists use like nuclear weapons to create seismic waves. The seismic waves go into the earth's crust and reflects back. By that calculation, scientists get to know that how much deeper is the earth's crust or what is inside the earth's crust, earth's core, how much deeper is the earth's core. Fact number 3. How do we discover that the earth is round? About 3000 years ago, people believed that the earth was flat, but people wondered if the earth is flat, then the ships would disappear over the horizon. That why the ships do not disappear over the horizon or fall from the edge. So basically a sailor means who sails around the world. Ferdinand Magellan in 1522 sailed around the world and proved that the earth is round. That's why ships do not disappear near the horizon. Fact number 4. Why we do not fall from the earth? Gravity is the force of the earth that attracts every object towards itself. From our perspective, this force always acts downwards. Means the force of gravitation pulls every object downwards. For a long time, people did not believe that the earth is round because the people underneath sphere would have actually fallen down. In 1687, Sir Isaac Newton proved that the force of gravity always acts towards the center of the earth. On the earth, the force of gravitation always acts downward irrespective of Eskimos in the Arctic region, people in Europe or inhabitants of Australia. Means the force of gravitation always attracts towards the center. That's why people do not fall in the universe. Facts number 5. How many plates do the earth's crust have? The relatively solid earth's crust and a part of the layer that lie below it is divided into 7 large tectonic plates. These plates float over hot viscous layer which is constantly in motion like boiling soup. Means the tectonic plates float over the earth's float over the lava like a flat surface. When the lava flows with more and more energy, the tectonic plate usually move, and when the tectonic plate clashes into one another, then one tectonic plates go into another tectonic plate, and that's why earthquakes are caused. So this was 5 facts about earth. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then please like, share and comment and subscribe. Thank you.